Here's how you're going to manifest $10,000 without lifting a finger, without using manifesting processes, without healing first or regulating your nervous system or reprogramming your subconscious mind, not even getting rid of your limiting beliefs around money. Because when you decide that you are the person who makes 10K a month, reality rearranges. There are no rules to money or manifestation. Hello, welcome to the channel. I'm Juliet Cleary. I do instant identity shifts, instant quantum leaps with no belief work, no healing work, and no manifesting processes. If you love that, if you want more, there are links to my courses in the description box below for you. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. I have got this question quite a lot. How do I manifest $10,000? Or how do I manifest $10,000 months? All manifesting processes and all healing techniques are permission slips. They do not change you. They do not create new results in your life. They allow you to decide or choose, really, a new version of yourself, to select a reality that contains the outcome you're looking for. So you want to shift into the reality where you already have this money, where you already make this amount of money or more. You can choose any amount. What you want to understand is that you want to actually be the person who does that, who has that, instead of the one who wants it, who needs it, who is trying to get it, who is endlessly trying to become that version of themselves. Physical reality is a direct mirror reflection. Okay? So when you're sitting there like, I'm doing all these things and I'm doing these programs and these rituals and these techniques to become the version of me who makes that amount of money. You are right now, in the only moment that exists, by the way, the present moment, you are right now consistently in every new moment, you are choosing, I am becoming that person. I am getting there. In other words, I am not there yet. I am not that person. I don't make that money. That's what you're actually saying, okay? And physical reality will show you that exact reflection. So it's going to show you the results, the experiences of someone who is getting there, who is figuring it out, who is becoming it, but isn't it yet. You're going to even receive and download the ideas from the field, which is you, that match the identity of I'm figuring it out. Not the one who has it, not the one who's there, because you haven't chosen that yet. You're waiting for some process or technique or course or coach or book or strategy to give you permission to choose that version of you, to accept it, to finally accept this is what I am, this is who I am, this is what I have. In any kind of way, it's usually unconscious that you choose that. But decision is the only thing that's actually creating your reality, or basically selecting the reality frames of what you're now going to experience. I spent a long time, years ago, trying to get to 10K months, or even just one 10K month, because I thought there were certain things that I had to do. I had to match the frequency of it for a long time, or I had to use certain strategies. I had to get there. I had to become someone. I had to use a process, and I had to figure out, well, what's the right process? Now I know it's a simple decision. It's a simple selection of a reality in the field. So here, I want to give you something. When you have a desire for 10K a month, or just $10,000 in general, or any amount of money, when you have that desire, when you think about it, or you visualize it, you imagine it, or you feel it, whatever you do, just using your imagination in some way, if you can even think of that desire and have that desire, it means you have that, because you are literally the quantum field expressing itself as a certain individual right now. I'm the quantum field expressing myself as Juliet right now. So when I have a desire, it's literally showing me I have this thing, I am that person, quite literally. The only thing that makes me not that person or not have that experience or the $10,000 a month is if in that moment, instead of acknowledging that this is something I already contain and can choose right now, in fact, it's telling me who I am right now, if I will actually just choose to accept that, buy into that. The only thing that makes me not that person is if I say, oh man, I wish I had that, but I don't. I clearly don't have that. I'm not that person. Okay, how do I become that person? I gotta do more. I gotta work more. I gotta meditate 3 times a day. I've gotta feel it. I gotta do all these things. Or let me work more hours. Let me take more action. You're saying I am not that. even though quite literally you are. And you might say, oh, but Juliet, no, I'm not. I'm clearly not that person. Look at my results. Look at my life. Look at my current circumstances. Yeah, well, how about we take a look at 99.99999% of the rest of your life, of the rest of reality, the unseen, the quantum field, which is you, infinite potentials and possibilities. Hello, come on. Don't argue for your limitations, because then you keep them alive. You keep identifying as the person who's limited instead of just actually agreeing, accepting. You know what? That does make sense. I'm going to decide that that's who I am right now, and I'm going to live from that decision knowing it's done. Your imagination is reality, quite literally, my love. So what you want to do is, in having this desire, you want to actually accept that. You want to actually acknowledge the truth. I am this person right now. That's actually me acknowledging it and just fully deciding it. I am this person right now. There's no, how do I do that? It's a decision. Decide. I am that person. And that's literally the only way that I could even have the freaking desire, the thought of it, to imagine it, to feel it, is because I literally contain it. I am it. I wouldn't be able to even experience it in imagination anyway. And you guys, you keep making this distinction of like imagination, or, you know, my mind, or what I want, my desires, and my 3D reality, and they're so different. No, they're not. If anything, your imagination, the unseen, the 99.999% of all reality, the quantum field, is more real than what you're seeing in the physical 3D illusion. You can't experience, even in thought, okay, even in imagining, you can't experience what you're not the vibration of, what you don't already contain. Imagination is real. Your desires are literally real. They're literally you, if you will actually accept that. As long as you're deciding that one day you're going to get there, or you're becoming it, you're not there yet, you're working on it, you're figuring it out, you're looking at your bank account, you're like, well, obviously I'm not that person yet. As long as you're choosing that, that will be a very real experience, because the mirror will show you who you're choosing that you are right now, right now, right now, right now. With me, you want to fully decide with conviction, this is who I am. I am the person who makes 10K a month, or any amount of money that you're looking for. But decide, choose it now, really firmly, even if you have to just say it out loud. It's not a process, it's not a right or wrong. You just need to actually fully decide. Not hope, not wish, decide. And when you do decide, you will become that person immediately. You'll receive that person's ideas, the ones that finally work. You'll receive any actions if necessary. Sometimes the action is buying the lottery ticket or calling up that friend that then hands you an amazing opportunity. If there is action that is necessary, it will come through you, through that identity, through that version of you, because you're in that reality now. You don't need to figure out shit. You don't need to try to make things happen. You don't need to try to manifest harder or work harder or try to act as if. You are this person, period. Let it come through. Let the ideas drop in. Let any action be effortless and automatic and natural through you. Not trying to get somewhere, just an expression of you. Sometimes, there's been times in my life, in my business, where I don't change any of my actions, where I'm not doing anything different, and yet I'll jump in income. No matter where the money comes from, it's always coming from you, because it's entirely you and your reality. So even when it seems like it's coming from somewhere else and someone else, or I didn't earn it, yeah, you did. It's money, abundance. You are the source of abundance. It can only come from you. There is no other. And now live from the decision. It's done. You are now the person who makes this amount of money. All right, that is it for this video. If you did enjoy this, if you resonate with this, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, to share it, and subscribe. If you want more, the links to my courses are in the description box below for you. Have an amazing day. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for being here.